I'm a mean, lean squirting machine.
What?
Welcome to the Gigantomungus Studio Tour, everyone. Home of Gigantomungus Fun. My name is Larry, and I'll be your guide today. On your left is our prop storage area. It's totally cool, but we're not going there till later on in the tour. On your right is the hot set area, filled with huge movie stars shooting exciting new blockbuster films.
I'm going to be judging this game on 3 criteria. Graphics, which includes character and environmental models as well as level layout. Audio, which includes music and sound effects. Core loop, things that need to be repeated over and over again which can make games addictive or boringly repetitive. First up, graphics. The graphics are almost a direct rip from the Search for Reptar game, with some minor improvements. I don't know if it's just me, but Tommy doesn't look like his mouth is under his chin in this game, which is an issue I had with the first game, which looks like they fixed it in this one, from what I can tell. The colorfulness is still there, but for some reason I can't help but feel that it's a little off. Maybe it's the differing types of minigames environments this time around. I suppose looking at it now, the first game looked overexposed and oversaturated during the day levels, while in Studio Tour, they look cleaner. The space levels look absolutely gorgeous though. Seriously, I could run around in those levels for half an hour just staring at the color dynamics. Susie takes a slightly bigger role in this game, but not by much. At least she has a voice this time around.
I'm a mean, lean squirting machine.
Level layouts are more complex thanks to the tag and pirate levels as well as the separate hub worlds. The thing missing for me is that you now start off in a scrolling hub and only load into an explorable hub world when selecting which baby or babies you want to play as. It makes the game feel more hollowed out. However, the hub worlds themselves are nice to look at and are usually decorated to match the type of levels you'll be playing. Music. The music is mostly ripped straight from the show and the last game, which begs me to wonder, since they most likely copy and pasted the models from Search for Reptar and the music, how much did this game cost to make, and was it cheaper to make than the first?
Way to go! You found the right key. You guys stay here. I'm gonna go find help, and then we'll go find a little bald guy.
That guy couldn't find his head if it was on his shoulders. We got to find Shorty ourselves.
But Angelica, he said to stay here.
Chucky, Angelica's right.
Huh?
There's a first this time for everything. We lost a deal, so it's up to us to find him. Come on, let's go.
Hold your ponies! You babies go one way and I'll go the other.
Okay, come on, you guys. Marge!
This is a job for Sherlock Holmes.
The voice cast once again returns, thank God, lending faithfulness to the cartoon series. Core Loop, being much like its predecessor, a party game with multiple game types in one, odd enough, after a while things do seem boringly repetitive. The races all seem the same, the treasure hunts, space race to the finish, and lazy saddle levels all got old after a while. You do the same thing over and over again in restricted spaces. The best part of the game for me was the level where you place Detective Angelica in the graveyard, and the runaway Reptar level with the Reptar mobile. There's not much to say about this game unlike the Search for Reptar because it feels like a toned down version of that, and they didn't really try to make anything stand out. They cut down on everything that made the first game great, even the lack of cutscenes was highly noted by me. The game is so easy that I beat it in 1 hour, only playing the pirate levels, gathering enough Reptar bars to unlock keys for door number 1, and the space levels to get through door number 2. I didn't even have to do any of the lazy saddles or go-kart races, I only did those afterward to have clips for this review. That being said, I'll give this game a 3 out of 5. It's too easy and a downgrade in my opinion from the first game.
Dilly, slow down!
I'll stop or I'll
Dill, stop! Dilly, stop, please! I want to go home! Hurry, you guys! We almost got Tim!
How can it be so hard to catch someone who can't even walk?
Is it over? Hey, wait for me! I wasn't scared. I was, just Oh, nothing scares me.
And this is our new Reptar Park ride, the scariest, most high-tech ride in the world. If it ever works, it's still got a few bugs in it. Like that. She must be a tester.
Angelica? You're in a lot of trouble, young lady.
But it was the baby's idea.
Now, Angelica, the kids have been here the whole time.
And they've been great. I haven't heard a peep out of them.
This tour's probably too exciting for them, that's all.
No, they was with me, and we were pirates, and astronauts, blast off, and cowboys, yee-haw! And we drove race cars, vroom, vroom.
Oh, dear. Classic Lipschitz sensory overload. I'm afraid you can't have any non-dairy ice cream from the studio commissary. It could put you over the edge.
What? No! No!
We did it, you guys! We saved Jill!
Woohoo! Yeah! Where'd we win, Tommy?
The satisfaction of a job well done.
Yeah. Good.
And ice cream!
Woohoo! That's